Hi guys, so we are back again at Boultham Level Crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. These barriers have totally seen better days. They don't even bounce anymore. That one does. Those two over there don't bounce. Time now is 16:48 on Monday the 31st of October 2016. And this is for your slightly delayed 16:47 to Tango 56 Eastern train service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate. Come down here because me and my dad have gone to Pentagon to pick up our brand new van, Vauxhall Vivaro 16 reg, and I decided to come down here while Dad does all the paperwork. Here it is, 153379 to Newark Northgate, and I decided to come for a dark shot. It's Halloween and it's spooky. Up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.